Hello guys, you are welcome to MWH cooking chat. Today we are going to make beef sauce. This is our meat, and when you want to cut your meat for beef sauce, you have to cut through the fibers just as I'm showing you. Cutting through the fibers to helps your meat to cook faster, as you don't want to waste much time in the kitchen. After cutting it into smaller pieces as I've just done, you wash it thoroughly to get out all the blood in it, and you add your seasonings and salt. You mix it very well and you cover for the next 5 minutes to allow it to marinate. After that, you prep other ingredients. So we have ginger, garlic, pepper and parsley, which we've grated nicely. On another side, we have yellow bell pepper, red onion, white onion, cucumber, carrot and green bell pepper, which we also chop that one nicely. Wait there, I had to say vegetable salad, they do more kakrebi eofie. The only difference are any soya sauce and a honey and a masa all-purpose flour kakra ediogum. So I mix it thoroughly with water until it dissolves completely. Ne ye anything kra misro obatan we meaty unya 1 pound bi ana 2 pounds kra ebeso ebema enkra no so eniaka eya na wasesam kakra. I don't want to bother you with expensive complex recipes, but something at least enkra na omani taje ho ebema enoma aye different. In another saucepan, after steaming and I say a meat ne we no ena eja ginger, garlic ne pepper na ya grate no me hwie egum ache kakra ena me the vegetables ne so egum. Very simple. Even when you are late in cooking now we meat and vegetables, especially when it's chopped already, very easy and chakra, then you are done. Kai se we no ye ni particular way bia ye no okwan bia obetumi afaso aye amana ye de wo the vegetable no egu grated ingredient na wa che kakra no kai se obema ni seasoning kakra we bia wo the salt ebi gu ho se be ye be mani taste enchine no so woto a na wa hwene because soy sauce no na salt ewu me da se paasa wo hwe me medofo we die na aye rice bebe die be ma udofo ana nkra na aye we mu da bia ne se ebia onsisam na wosisam na we ni se ya onse we akono pa esefenso nipa kro na ni beje ho me da se paasa o hwe me ahun presi mu a brami ni so ni jimi video ho e ma remfi se over subscribe, over comment, like and share for all your loved ones. Macram. See you in our next video. Bye.